Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable voice navigation on your Google Maps. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable voice navigation in your Android mobile or your iPhone, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to open your Google Map. In top right side corner, you will find your profile icon. You just need to click on this profile icon. Then scroll down, you will find settings. Click on the settings. Then here you need to find navigation. You can see your navigation setting. Click on this. In this you can see first option, mute state. You just need to select muted. Then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable voice navigation on your Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.